In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a career break on LinkedIn. If you've taken time away from work for personal reasons, caregiving, travel, study, health, or any other important life event, adding a career break to your LinkedIn profile can help present your professional story more clearly. It's a simple way to show that a gap in your work history was intentional or meaningful, and it also gives you space to highlight anything you learned or focused on during that time. To get started, sign into LinkedIn and go to your homepage. At the top of the page, click the Me icon. This opens your account menu where you'll see several options related to your profile and settings. From that menu, select View Profile. This takes you directly to your public-facing profile page where you can make changes to the information others see. Once you are on your profile, look for the Introduction section near the top. In that area, click the Add Profile section button. This is where LinkedIn lets you add new details to your profile, including work experience, education, and other professional information. After clicking it, find the Core drop-down menu. Inside that menu, choose Add Career Break. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you'll enter the details of your career break. Fill in the requested information carefully. You may be asked to choose the type of break, such as parental leave, caregiving, full-time education, relocation, or another category. You'll also add the start and end dates, along with the location if that's relevant. Be as accurate as possible so your timeline stays clear and professional. Next, add a short description explaining what you focused on during that period. This part is especially helpful because it gives context to the break. For example, you can mention skills you developed, certifications you completed, volunteer work, personal projects, or other meaningful experiences. Keep the wording concise, honest, and professional, and focus on anything that reflects growth or continued learning. When everything looks good, click Save. Your career break will then appear on your LinkedIn profile as part of your professional journey. Before you finish, it's a good idea to quickly review how it appears on your profile. Make sure the dates, category, and description are easy to understand. A well-written career break entry can make your profile feel more complete and can help recruiters or connections better understand your path. And that's how to add a career break on LinkedIn.